Salamat sa pagdating sa aming buhay. Mas naging makulay ang buhay. Totoo. Tutulungan ka namin na maging masaya ang tatahakin mo sa buhay. Always be healthy, anak. Be God-fearing and love everyone around you. Okay? Because you are so loved. You are so blessed, my love. Okay? I love you. Mwah!
This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life.
Happy birthday, Johan!
Happy birthday,
Johan!
I just wanna spend every day with you.
Hello, baby Johan. Happy birthday. Love you. Sana maging masaya. Maging masaya ang mga tatahakin mo sa buhay. Ano? At nandito lang kami ni mami mo. Lagi sumusuporta sa'yo. Tinan mo kamukha mo.
This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Sana makuha mo yung mga good traits ni mami at ni daddy. Tapos yung bad traits ni mami at ni daddy, pwedeng itapon mo na lang. Ano? At mahal na mahal ka namin na Claudio. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Johan! Happy birthday, Johan!
Happy birthday, Johan!
Johan, happy birthday! Alam natin, you are too young to remember all this. At alam namin din na kahit di mo to matatandaan, mararamdaman mo to sa araw-araw, ikaw ay special. Kaya, may this, yung first year na ito be followed by many, many more birthdays to come.
You're a shining star, it's always brighter where you are. Oh, what a sight to see! I'm caught up in the joy you bring. So take it out to the streets and share your heart with everyone you meet. Take it out to
Happy birthday, Apo! Johan, magbabait paglaki. Sana magmahal ka sa daddy. Happy birthday ulit.
Sana, ang hindi ko sa Panginoon, sana lumaki kang malusog, mabait, mana sa daddy at mami.
Happy birthday! Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. Makuha mo lamang kahit 9% sa mami at daddy mo. Lalaki kang batang mabait. Happy birthday, Yuhan!
Johan, happy birthday! Apo, nandito na ikaw. Ikaw ang pinapangarap namin. Johan, love you!
Anak, sana matandaan mo tong araw na to. Sasabihin ko na lang sa iyo ay mahal na mahal kita at mahal na mahal ka namin ng iyong mami, ng iyong lola, ng lahat ng friends ni mami at daddy, lahat ng relatives ni mami and daddy. Love you, anak.
Anak, salamat sa pagdating sa aming buhay. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Johan. Happy birthday. I love you so much.